Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, and today I'll show you fingerprint sensor test. So we are going to check how fast this sensor on the right edge works. So let's make a few tries and let's see how it performs. So as you can see, this sensor is really fast, and also I can say that this scanner is reliable. So as you can see, that's how the sensor works in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.